Hello, Acho. Let's read out the questions. Question says the value of integration of e to the power minus 1 to e square mod of log of x to the base e by x dx is. So यहाँ पर हमें value of the given integration find out करना है, that is integral of e to the power minus 1 to the e square mod of log of x to the base e by x dx. तो चलिए start करते हैं हम solutions. But before of that, let's talk about the key concept which we are going to use here for this question. So यहाँ पर हम simply integration by substitution concept का use करेंगे. Integration by substitution. So यदि हमें integration I is equals to integration of f of x dx function given है, तो सबसे पहले तो हम उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे फॉर x इज इक्वल्स टू g ऑफ t का, एंड देन उसको हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, डिफरेंशिएट with respect to that, so that we will get dx is equals to g dash of t dt, and then we will back its put to be right here, so that our integral would becomes I is equals to integration of f of g of t into g dash of t dt. So इसी concept का हमें यहाँ पर use करना है. So first of all, we do let the given integral, that is integration I is equals to integration e to the power minus of 1 to e square mod of log of x to the base e divided by x dx. तो सबसे पहले तो हमें जो मॉड में गिवन वैल्यू है कि log of mod of x, ओके, log of x to the base e in mod divided by x, इसकी वैल्यू को सेटिस्फाई करना होगा. सो बेसिकली log of x के लिए यदि मैं बात करूं, सो मॉड में log है, सो इसका मीनिंग ये होता है कि इसकी टू वैल्यूज होंगी. एक तो हो जाएंगी माइनस log of x and the second one will be positive log of x for the value of x ranging from 0 to 1 and x to be greater than to 1. While if you see that the value of mod of x is always going to be positive, so according to that, the required integral, this will be equals to integration of e inverse to e square into the bracket log of x to the base e divided by x dx हो जाएगा. So इसको अब हम दो इंटरवल्स में ब्रेक कर देंगे, e inverse to 1 minus log of x to the base e divided by x as we have defined here कि 0x से 1 तक के ये क्या होता है, माइनस log of x होता है. So यहाँ पर स्टार्टिंग का आंसर ये इनवर्स है, इसीलिए इनवर्स किया है dx प्लस में, एंड देन 1 टू फाइनल e स्क्वायर तक के पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ऑफ log of x होगा. सो इसीलिए log of x to the base e divided by x dx हो जाएगा. अब हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड का यूज करेंगे. सो वी डू लेट log of x to the base e is equals to t, differentiating on both sides will get 1 by x dx is equals to dt. So substituting this right here. Now also the limit is going to be changed. So at x is equals to e inverse, t will become sort equals to log of e inverse to the base e. So log of e to the base e तो 1 होता है, so यहाँ पर माइनस का 1 हो जाएगा. And similarly at x is equals to 1, the value of t will be goes to log of 1 to the base e, so ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. और उसी तरीके से at x is equals to e square, the limit for the t will be log of e का स्क्वायर टू द बेस e, so log of e to the base e तो 1 हो जाएगा और 2 अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉग प्रॉपर्टी आगे आ जाएगा. सो इसीलिए इसके लिए 2 हो जाएगा. सो नाउ द रिक्वायर्ड इंटीग्रल विल बी ब्रेक लाइक -1 to 0. उसके लिए माइनस log of x है, उसकी जगह पर t हो गया, और 1 by x dx की जगह पर dt हो प्लस में. Second integral limit will go from 0 to 2 t dt. Now by using the integration formula of x to the power n dx is equals to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. If we integrate it, so we'll get minus me t square divided by 2, and the limits will go from -1 to 0 plus integration of t will become t square by 2, and the limit will go from 0 to 2. Put upper and lower limit will get 0 plus me minus 1 का whole square by 2, then plus me 2 का square by 2 plus minus में 0. So further simplifying will get I is equals to, यहाँ पर तो माइनस का 1 स्क्वायर 1 हो जाएगा, so 1 by 2 plus में 2, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5. So the required integral value will become 31 to 5 by 2. Now according to one option B is correct. So this is the required solution. I hope you understand well. Best of luck. Thank you.